Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox the boom mic stand which I had mentioned in my previous video, and I'll be leaving the link in the end screen over there. And we'll be going ahead and reviewing this product today. I'll be unboxing it. I still didn't unbox. I got it about day first today. I didn't unbox it because I want to do an honest review while unboxing it. And we'll also do a quick assembly of that, and we'll fit this mic in that so that I don't have to hold it in my hand like I'm doing it now. So let's start. Okay, let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Product. Okay. So it is toned down. So let's see what is the. It's quite heavy. Okay, it's given as Pro microphone stand over here. It's from the company powerpak. So let's open this. Oh, so many sellotapes in this. I do have to cut it off. Just give me a minute. Okay, so that's been. So this is the content of the box. Okay guys, so this is the content of the box. So there's nothing in this. This comes with a holder over here for the stand, and this side is, if you see here clearly, it's like a tripod. So I'll quickly go ahead and assemble this. Just give me a minute and I'll be right back. So guys, I've set it up now, so let's go and see how it works. Hello guys, so I did assemble the product. So let me first show you the box. It came in such a box which is totally broken. And there's one more important thing. If you can see this clearly over here, it says the package includes. That is, it has a microphone boom stand, it has a microphone holder, and it has a mobile clip. These are the three things supposed to be in the package. And now I'm going to show you what the product actually they sent was. Okay, I'll keep this box aside and I'll get the product out. Give me a second. Okay. So if you can see clearly, hold on, I still don't have a mic holder, so I have to do it manually. I got the boom stand, but if you see here, there is no mic holder. It's as simple as that. There is no mic holder there. So where will I put this? It doesn't go in this one, which is a mobile clip. I don't know what the hell it is. It won't go on that. It won't go on this. It won't go on anything on the stand. So what initially I got from Amazon is just the boom stand, and it's sturdy. What I can say is the boom stand is good. See here. I will go ahead and bend it down to show you. It is sturdy and good, so there's no problem in that. It can be loosened, tightened, everything can be done properly in this. But the main motive for which I bought this was for the microphone holder, which has not yet been done. I did order for a replacement which I'll be getting. They say they are going to go ahead and send it. Amazon has told that. But one thing I can suggest you in this call, what I had with them, they were not sure of what they were getting. Simple as that. Even Amazon people are not sure. This product actually is made from, I don't know where it is made for, but I'll tell you the product name and I'll tell you one more thing. Do not purchase this. Even for whatever price they're giving, do not purchase this product. You see, this one is Pro Microphone Stand, it's given. And it's from the company, they say rated #1 product in this. Okay. And let me just check the company, which company it is. Give me a minute. Okay. It's called as PowerPak company. It's called as PowerPak company. Do not order this on Amazon. Do not get cheated. Because I bought this it's within 10 days I can replace it. But for some people it would be difficult if your PIN code doesn't come in the replacement zone. So do not purchase this product. The product reviews, the stand is good. I won't say the stand is bad. But they don't give whatever is supposed to come along with the stand. They don't have a quality control. They don't have a quality check. And the box is a broken box in which I got the item in. It's simple. Somebody has taken it from it. So do not go ahead and try to even go ahead and purchase this product. Try for some other seller who might be giving a good product on Amazon. If the link is mentioned here below, I will be taking it out. Because I don't go ahead and recommend this from my side. Until next time, you have a wonderful day, and if you do like this video, please go ahead and like the video. Okay, and you have a wonderful day until next time.